Hi guys, here's a quick open box review for 3D ZW Man Soldering Iron Thread Insert tool. The package is very simple. Let's open it up to see what's included in the package. I ordered a simple set. You have those longer insert and 7 different size of the tips. These 7 size tips should be good enough for the hobbyist usage. Here's a 100 M3 threaded insert. It's made out of the brass, very good quality. M3 has the OD about 4.6 millimeter, the length about 4 millimeter long, and you can see the ID is about a 2.8 millimeter. And here's the iron set. And you can see I really like those red color silicone cover. It can provide you from the high temperature, just take it off. And also unscrewed the initial soldering iron tips, just remove it out, and also now replace it with the brass threaded insert head and just secure everything's on. You need to find out the right insert head because I'm using M3 insert, so I have to choose the right insert and put it on just like that, and you're ready to go. Now press and hold the red button. You're gonna turn it on. It's a 65 watts. The initial temperature is 350 Celsius. The PLA should anywhere from 180 to 220 Celsius. I'm using this PLA 3D printed box. Now I first put it on the M3 insert in, and then I just press and hold, just gently push it down until it's become the flat. And very simple, that's it. Now we can make the second one. Make sure you have a vertical way so you can push it gently. Honestly with you, you don't need to go with the fancy vertical arm. This one should be good enough for hobbyist usage. Just press vertical. You can use your eye to make it align. That should be good enough. You know, overall, this is a very good quality. Should be sufficient for hobbyist usage. It comes with 7 different sizes of threaded tips. 5 stars. Thank you.